Hi, my friends. Yes, welcome here. Yeah, today I'm going to discuss about ones. How to create the ND array with ones value. Okay, all elements should be ones. Okay, so we'll see my theory here. See, ones. Syntax is something like this is exactly same as the zero division zeros. Okay, zeros functions. Okay, it is exactly same as the zeros function, just it's filling with 1, but in 0 is filling with 0. Yeah, obviously this coming with float. Okay, but here it's 0 ones. Okay, so first we have to import NumPy as NP. Okay, see def. If yeah, one thing I want to say, if you are the first time watching my tutorials, and please like, subscribe here, and this is your first videos what you are watching, so it's better access this playlist. Okay, and watch from initial, from video number 1 2 3 watch, so it is better, because then only you will understanding the my flow of explaining and how I am explaining, and what I am trying to explain you, and what wanted you. Okay, if any confusions is running in your mind, then just write the comment in the box. Okay, and you can find my mail also. So my mail id is python2019 at gmail.com. Okay, so you can mail us directly. Okay, so it's better to clear with us everything's okay. Yeah, so here first we have to come on our point, because I'm not going to expend extra time on SSD things. Okay, so that's why come on the point. Okay, we are learning once how to create array with one function. Okay, see, first we have to import numpy as NP, as we know before. Okay, now see, it's exactly same as the zeros. Okay, zeros functions, but zeros is coming with fulfill with 0 point something here once. Okay, a is equal to np dot once. Okay, first let's check the first help. Okay, print help of np dot 1. Check what is the coming. See, on shape same we have to specify here the shape and data types and order. C will explain later these things. Okay, so no need to worry about here. Return new array given shape and type. Okay, fill with ones, fills with ones, but there fills with zeros. Okay, it's clear. Syntax you can remember from, just remember this line. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Now just stop. There's something. Okay, just a is equal to np dot ones. Okay, print a. Let me put what is the error. It will expect one missing. See, type errors. Yeah, I did the mistake here. I am showing missing one required positional argument. See, because here shape is mandatory. Okay, so put see to print with tools. Okay, so you can print top. It will write the errors here. I think. See, it will expect in the tuples. Can't expect like this. Cannot interpret one as the data types. Okay, so first parameters is talk about the shape. This is a second is talking about always the data types, if you observe the syntax. Okay, so we can pass this one as a tuples. Okay, and okay, now we'll check. Okay, a 2 rows 1 column. Okay, so 7. Okay, see, default data type is the d type is equal to default is float. see nothing. Okay, if you want to change int, okay, integers, but filled with ones. If you say in the b np dot zeros, say 2 by 7, same things, but d type is equal to int. See, somewhere I did the mistake, like, sorry, yeah, spelling is wrong, so nothing. And check the what error is coming. It will come syntax attribute errors. Okay, module numpy has no attribute zeros. Okay, because this is not available, this function, so zeros is there. Now print the p, print b, like give something like this, some quotations. Okay, oh sorry, something put here, say this one, and repeat. I hope you remember this word. This is a repetition, it will repeat 30 times as symbols. See, first one is ones, it's zeros, exactly all are the same, nothing is different. Okay, strictly I'm saying, so this is also okay. So next video will cover more things here. Okay guys, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.